Alright, so let's go over a roadmap of what we're going to cover in this course. First, in the chapter on all about strings, we're going to learn about strings. What are they? How do you define one? What makes a string different than a number? Where can you use strings, etc. We're going to cover quite a bit of stuff, so it should be an interesting chapter. In the next video, we're actually going to crack open our Chrome developer tools and work with strings. We're going to do a whole bunch of operations on strings that would be common in JavaScript. And by the end of this chapter, you should have a full understanding of how to use and interact with strings every day. In the last chapter, we'll be doing some advanced string techniques. So we'll be using template strings as well as checking out a bunch of the built-in ES6 features that are available on strings. This chapter should go beyond giving you a rudimentary understanding of strings and really give you the tools you need to work with strings on an intermediate or senior level. Now, before we begin, you're really only going to need one application on your computer to do this course. I decided to do all the demonstrations inside Google Chrome, since Google Chrome supports all these strings and it's easy to use and everyone already has it. So just make sure you have that on your computer, and you should be 100% set. Finally, throughout this course, you're going to see me doing demos, and I'll ask you to demo along, and there'll also be quizzes and exercises for you to do between the lessons. Do the exercises. Don't just skip them. If you don't do the exercises, it'll be difficult for you to retain the knowledge that you've learned. So please, just do them at the time they come up. Don't save them for later. Just do them all when the time is appropriate, and you'll retain the most from this course. So that's it by way of introduction. Now let's move on to all about strings.